Court is back in session as trial docket. Next case is cause number 325646. Case is style of state of Texas versus Michael Douglas Lamore. Michael Douglas Lamore was scheduled to be in court for the court's trial docket, which is scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of November 8th of 2021. At or about 9 a.m., Mr. Michael Lamore's name was called by the court's bailiff. Mr. Lamore did not answer. Mr. Lamore has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Mr. Lamore's attorney, Mr. Wright Kimmler, has been in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:24 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Michael Lamore? Michael Lamore's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Michael Lamore did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Lamore an opportunity to appear in court for the court's trial docket. He has not appeared. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. State will move for a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted, and a warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Michael Lamore, and his bond shall be forfeited in cause number 325646. Next case on the court's trial docket is cause number 327556. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Kimberly Michelle Barton. Ms. Barton was scheduled to be in court for the court's trial docket at 9 a.m. on today's date of November 8th of 2021. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Kimberly Barton at the courthouse door. Kimberly Barton did not answer. Kimberly Barton has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. However, Ms. Kimberly Barton's attorney, Mr. Wright Kimmler, did appear in court. The time now is 12:25 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kimberly Barton? Kimberly Barton.
No response.
Kimberly Barton's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Ms. Barton did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Barton an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would request a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. A warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Kimberly Barton, and her bond shall be forfeited in cause number 327556. Court's now in session in the court's pretrial conference docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of November 8th. Next case is cause number 327246. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Jorge Diaz Sanchez. Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. on today's date. And Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez did not answer, and Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. Mr. Sanchez's attorney, Mr. Israel Santana, was contacted by the court, and his office is trying to get in contact with him. It's our understanding that Ms. Santana may be in attendance at a funeral. The time now is 12:28 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez? So Jorge Diaz Sanchez's name was just called at the courthouse door. Again, he did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, the state would request a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted and the warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Jorge Diaz Sanchez and the bond shall be forfeited in clause number 327246. Last case, we'll move on to our announcement docket, which was also scheduled today at 9 a.m. Okay, hold on, let's go back to Mr. Sanchez. Okay, this is back in clause number 327246, case and style of state of Texas versus Jorge Diaz Sanchez. We have Mr. Israel Santana, who's appearing via Zoom for Mr. Well, he's appearing via Zoom. He's attorney for Mr. Jorge Diaz Sanchez. Mr. Santana?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing?
Better, Judge. I actually just came back from the doctor and finally got released. And forgive me, I had COVID, Judge.
Oh,
I just got released about 30 minutes ago from the doctor. It says I'm good. I just tested, and I tested negative today.
okay.
Right.
Well, we're happy to hear that. Hopefully you have a full recovery.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. My apologies. I just got out of the doctor's office. I've been pretty bad the past few weeks.
Okay. Now, Mr. Santana, Mr. Diaz Sanchez was scheduled to be in court or to make an appearance. He did not make an appearance in person by Zoom or telephone.
Okay. Judge, and my apologies, I have not talked to him. I don't know that the court would allow me to get hold of him. I know he's not going anywhere. I know he's not jumping bail. I can have him in court if you'd like, either tomorrow or the next.
Hey, probably, I mean, we'll give you some time. If you could get him on Zoom,
Yes, sir.
yeah, he can make an appearance via Zoom.
Okay. If I can get hold of him, I don't know what time the court finishes. I can get back to I was actually going home. I wasn't going to my office. Like I said, I just left the doctor's office. I'll call my secretary right away. I can have him appear, Judge, right through Zoom.
Yes.
Okay.
You have any idea when you may be able to?
I can do that, Lord willing, within the next 30 minutes, Judge.
Okay, fine. Okay.
All right. And let me.
We'll hold off on his bond forfeiture.
Yes, sir. Please, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you for your consideration, Judge. I'll get hold of him right now.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too. May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, you may be excused.
Thank you, sir.
What did he say? Is it coming? Are you still trying to get in contact with Muse?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm trying to get word to him that he can Zoom in,
Okay,
because he just sent a message, he's in Houston. And he could be back here by 2.
no, I mean, he could Zoom in or he could report, well, we can call him from court. Or you can call him on that, on your telephone, and he can make an appearance that way.
Thank you.